Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Today we're talking about dummy variables. In a prior video, we discussed the automatic recode procedure in SPSS Statistics, and here you see the results. I have my preferred color in my coded variable. I switched to the values, and you see now I have numbers 1, 2, and 3 that I can use. The issue is that 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. I have this inherent ordering, which causes problems in various ways. To fix that, we go to the transform menu, create dummy variables, select the variable we want to create dummy variables for, and we have to give it a root name here. I'm just going to give mine, call it PC underscore as in preferred color. It's going to create one variable for each of the categories. We say okay, and now we see PC1 has a 1 if the color is blue, PC2 has a 1 if it's a red, and PC3 has a 1 if the value is actually white. This is often called one-hot encoding. Only one of these 3 columns is a 1. We've introduced the dummy variable trap, which means 1 is redundant, and also multi-collinearity. The common practice is to drop one of these from your data set. If you have questions or want to be trained on how to use this in your analytics projects, give us a call. We're here to help.